morning, students. On the last class, we discussed about the various principles like Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, line spectrum of hydrogen. Today, we are going to move to the next topic, orbit and orbital. You already know the concept of orbit. Orbit means the circular path where the electrons are revolve around the nucleus. And the orbital means it is the region in which the probability of finding electron means the finding of electron is maximum. It is known as orbital. So, orbit means the circular path around the nucleus in which the electrons are revolving. And orbital means the region around the nucleus of atom where the maximum probability of finding electron is called orbital. So, orbital shows the probability of finding electron, whereas orbit shows the position of the electron, its distance, its energy from the nucleus. And different orbit is represented by using principal quantum number, that is n. So, we are moving to the next concept, that is quantum mechanical model of atom. This model of atom is replaced by Bohr model of atom, and it is mainly based on the orbital concept. So, what is a quantum number? Quantum number means it is used for describing the electron of an atom, where the exact position of the atom, the energy of atom, distance of atom, etc. So there are various kinds of quantum number. First one is principal quantum number. Principal quantum number means it represents the energy level, the main energy level of electron in an atom. And it is represented by the letter small m. So there are various kinds of quantum number. First quantum number is principal quantum number. Principal quantum number means it represents the main energy level of an atom. So, and it is represented by the letter n. And n may be 1, 2, 3, etc. Its value may be. So, for example, if n is equal to 1, the main energy level or the main shell is k. If n is equal to 2, L. If n is equal to 3, M. If n is equal to 4, N. So, the orbit energy increases with increase in the value of n. So, you get the idea. So, it represents the main energy level, which means the main shell. Next one is angular momentum or azimuthal quantum number, which is represented by the letter L. It represents the subshell of an electron in an atom, and its value ranges from 0 to n minus 1. And L has the value 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. For example, if the value of n is equal to 1, then L is equal to 0 to n minus 1, isn't it? So, n can be represented as 1 minus 1, that is 0. So, the L value is 0. If n is equal to 2, then L value is 0, 2 minus 1, that is 1. If n equal to 3, 0, 1, 2. Like that. So, if the value of L is 0, then number of notation of subshell is S. If the value of L is 1, then P. 2, then D. 3, then F. 4, then G. 5, then H. It is a way to represent the subshell electronic configuration. So, based on the value of n and L, we can determine the symbol. If the value of n is 1 and the value of L is 0, then the symbol of the subshell is 1s. Because if the value of L is 0, what happened? The subshell value is determined as s. So, 1s. If the value of n is 2 and L is 0, then 2s. If the value of n is 2 and the L value is 1, then it is represented as 2p. Why it is p? Because the L value is 1. If the L value is 1, then it is p subshell. Like that, others case determined. Next one is magnetic quantum number, which represent the movement of electron in the presence of magnetic field. So it is represented by the letter M, and its value is ranges from 0 to 2L plus 1. Okay, so if the L value is 0, then M1 is have two type of M1 value is 2 into 0 plus 1, that is 1. Since L is 0, so the 0, that is s orbital. If L is 1, then minus 1, 0 plus 1. If L is 2, minus 2, minus 1, minus 0, 1, 2. That is d orbital. If L is 3, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. That is f orbital. So this is magnetic quantum number. Next one is spin quantum number, which represents the spin orientation of electron. It may be in clockwise direction, electron can spin, then the value is plus half, and if it is anti-clockwise, then the value is minus half. There are certain rules to arrange the orbital of an atom. So hope you understood the concept of quantum number. Quantum number is the number to address the electron of an atom. There are mainly 4 types of quantum number: principal quantum number, magnetic quantum number, spin quantum number, and azimuthal quantum number. There are various methods we can arrange the orbit. First principle is Aufbau principle. Aufbau principle means arranging electron in the basis of decreasing order of energy. For example, we can arrange the electrons on the basis of first filling electron is 1s, after that 2s, then 2p, then 3s, then 3p, then 4s, then 3d, 4p, 5s, after that 4d, 5p, 6x. These are the way in which the energy level of orbital changes. Okay, so electrons are, or the energy level is arranged in the decreasing order of energy level. Next one is Pauli's exclusion principle. It states that no 2 electrons in an atom have same value of 4 quantum numbers, which means that if there are 2 electrons in an atom, the 2 electrons have different value for different quantum numbers. Another rule is Hund's rule. Hund's rule states that only the pairing of electron in the orbital belong to the same subshell does not take place until each orbital belong to that subshell has got 1 electron each, and it is singly occupied. According to Hund's rule, it states that after the pairing, after singly occupied electron, then the pairing should be take place. So these are the 3 basic principles in which the energy level of an atom is considered. I hope you understood the concept. The related link and the note is attached with this video. Go through the link and download the notes. And don't forget to attend the test paper. So see you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.